It is great to see you all again at Wealthy Coins. Holy cow, I just seen a huge buy signal for Shiba Inu. Dog update. The weekly chart for Shiba Inu recently displayed a double bottom pattern, which indicates that there will soon be a change in trend. Though the cryptocurrency market as a whole has seen occasional advances, Shiba Inu has stayed in consolidation mode for the past month. Though this consolidation period may soon come to a close, experts have predicted that the asset would soon break out of its current Keiichi predicament. Shiba Inu has been showing a pattern on the daily chart, which notable crypto trader and investor CryptoRand has brought to light. Keep an eye on SHIB, it's trying to find an opening. This video will discuss the recent occurrence of a big Shiba Inu buy signal, which has been dubbed Holy Shit, SHIB updates. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it and subscribe to the channel. We will start the video without further ado. A falling wedge that SHIB has entered multiple times is seen on the chart. With each SHIB dip below the descending wedge's base, its price explodes, as seen on the chart. The event took place in October 2022, leading to a peak of $0.00001488 USD, before the subsequent decrease caused by FTX. The asset's price surged to a record high of $0.00001527 USD on February 5th of this year. After SHIB hit the wedge bottom in December 2022, the asset has dropped to the wedge's base once more. Taking into account its previous results, CryptoRand is certain that it will conduct another rally. Additionally, the asset has been showing a long-term accumulation pattern around the $0.001091 zone, which ShibKnight, an influential trader and member of the Shiba Inu community, has identified as a potential breakout point. Further, the weekly chart for SHIB shows that it has created a double bottom pattern, with support at the $0.000714 USD level. It is possible for an asset's price to form a double bottom pattern if it drops to a specific level, then rises again, falls back to the original level, and then rises again. A bullish double bottom pattern occurs when an asset's price forms two separate bottoms at the same level, indicating that buyers are eager to purchase the asset at that price. Price action above the double bottom pattern's neckline is considered confirmation of the pattern, and may indicate a breakout. Even if there has been consolidation, Shiba Inu is still a favorite among Ethereum whales. Shiba Inu is the most traded token among the top whales on Ethereum, according to a recent analysis. Furthermore, in terms of its value in US dollars, SHIB is the largest holding of these wealthy investors. Optimism is still high as long as social gatherings and token burns continue. Based on what we can see from TradingView, the majority of the asset's technical indicators are also showing signs of strength. To set the scene, Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency that debuted in August 2020 and takes its inspiration from memes. Its star began to rise in early 2021, coinciding with the meteoric rise of Dogecoin and other meme tokens. The Shiba Inu ecosystem features a decentralized exchange called Shiba Swap, and a new project called Shibarium that plans to provide NFTs, games and virtual real estate on the blockchain. The native coin of this project is SHIB. The concerned SHIB whale passively bought 6.67 billion tokens, or almost $50 million, in the hours leading up to the announcement of Shibarium. Because this action seemed to indicate insider knowledge or intentional planning by the whale, it stirred up trouble in the SHIB community and the wider crypto market. Among crypto aficionados, the actions of the SHIB whale have caused both enthusiasm and doubt. Some view the whale's actions as evidence of their faith in the token's future, while others are concerned about the market power of such huge players and the possibility of market manipulation. Although the whale's precise approach is obvious, their Renq accumulation may indicate a change in emphasis towards promising DeFi ventures or a diversification of their portfolio. There is always the chance of losing money while investing, but the whale's actions may bring greater attention to SHIB, which could increase its value and attract additional investors. Celebrities and social media influencers have been instrumental in the Shiba Inu's meteoric rise to fame in recent years. It's been called the Dogecoin killer. It's an ERC20 token that was made to honor the Shiba Inu dog breed. Shiba Inu has garnered a lot of attention from big cryptocurrency exchanges, and a huge fan base despite the fact that it doesn't have any practical value. A relatively young coin, Shiba Inu has already taken the cryptocurrency industry by storm. Thanks to its affordable price and marketing that is inspired by memes, it has gained popularity rapidly. More and more people are buying SHIB tokens, which has led to a dramatic spike in trading volume in the past few weeks. Over the past month, SHIB's trading volume has increased by more than 2,000%, with the token reaching a high of 0.00011114 USD, starting at only 0.000001 USD. This is a substantial gain. The ETH whales allegedly purchased a large number of SHIB tokens, which caused a dramatic increase in demand for the cryptocurrency. The current value of SHIB is mostly speculative and could be vulnerable to major price swings, according to some experts, even though trading volume has increased. Developers of the Shiba Inu announced Monday that they are targeting a December launch for SHIB the Metaverse, a project that would increase the ecosystem's functionality. The MV team is sure that users will be able to explore some regions in this beautiful environment, build, design, play and develop with it by the end of 2023. However, they did mention that development takes time. Since the metaverse is an ongoing effort, not all of its areas will be entirely finished, the developers added. There will be 100,595 usable plots of land in the metaverse, according to SHIB. Owners of plots of land can collect in-game resources, get awards and earn passive money. The creators are also planning to include a system to make money and provide players their own area to work on their projects. Players in the metaverse can design their own humanoid canine avatars, and use them to go to other locations, engage in conversations with locals, and earn virtual currency. The future Layer 2 network Shiberia, whose testnet is online, will host the metaverse. It will select tokens from the Shiba ecosystem, including Bone. Elon Musk claims that Twitter now has a new leader. Floki, his Shiba Inu puppy, is now the CEO of the massive social networking company. During an impromptu interview with the BBC on Tuesday night, the millionaire made the absurd assertion. Floki sat at a desk, paw print on contract, and he subsequently tweeted a mock-up of the scene. 6 months after acquiring Twitter for £38 billion, Musk acknowledged that he had a roller coaster ride, aggressively slashing costs and firing 80% of employees to balance the books. Claims that he has encouraged hate speech and disinformation are something he frequently denies, and in response to his detractors, he routinely mocks them online. Floki, according to the wealthiest man in the world, has assumed the role of boss. Apparently he told Clayton, "I am not the CEO of Twitter," after the latter referred to him as CEO. "The head of Twitter is my dog. It's difficult to get anything past this wonderful dog, because he's so watchful." It is believed that the prank began after Musk asked users to vote on whether he should resign as CEO in a poll he conducted in December. Musk asserted that he had followed the outcome, and appointed Floki as the boss. He tweeted yesterday, an image of a dog seated behind a desk, wearing a black turtleneck with the word CEO stitched into the fabric. According to the caption, Twitter's new CEO is just wonderful. He uploaded a photo of Floki last week, to replace the bird logo on Twitter. Musk acknowledged that the BBC was unhappy with the categorization, and he addressed the debate surrounding Twitter's classification of the BBC's main account as government-funded media. In his interview, he announced the move to publicly fund it and expressed his deep admiration for the state